way.
Alright, he's getting into it. Woo!
Alright, now you were saying you back it out so you get all of the...
Back it out about 2 turns, maybe, yeah. And go in and get some more.
And go and get some more.
It'll all be loose, but yeah. As long as it's clean.
Alright, so yeah, we got... Yeah, all the chips look like... Oh, I saw a few in there. I'm going to be picky. There we go. She's gushing right out of there.
Yay!
Alright. Excellent. And...
That was good.
Well, I got a bit of a steeper angle than yours, but I think she'll be fine. There we go. It's good and tight. And a bucket.
Time.
Lid.
And a lid.
Alright, you're prepared.
Rock on.
That was fun, eh? Alan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oops. There we go.
I bet you want to do another one now.
I'll do another one, sure.